What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Tony. Guess what, guys? I finally bought my first vending machine. Alright guys, we just made a deal. I already got it loaded, but I want to show you how it looks like. I'm very excited because I finally got my first candy vending machine. Don't mind the trucks dirty, and y'all already know I'm all about the hustle. I sell electronics. I'm supposed to be going to work doing some detailing. Now I added the vending machine as a new hustle. We're gonna give it a try, guys. But I can't wait to put this thing to work. And he gave me the keys already, so I already got the keys. I only paid 140 bucks for it, so it's almost practically brand new. Came with the candy too, so let's do it. Let's get this machine ready and going. Let's get some money. But I gotta go to my client, take care of him on auto detailing. I just wanted to meet up with this guy and get his machine today. First vending machine. Alright. And it came with the candy. It came with the M&M's, Skittles, and Reyes. Or no, they're called Bruns.
Another one. And another one.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, man, I'm just excited. I finally got my first vending machine, so I can't wait to put it to work. Right now it's still at my house. The videos that y'all seen, it's actually in my house. My very first customer is my niece, so yeah, she's been supporting the game, man, you know. And I'm going broke because, you know, I'm using my own money to put it in there too. But I can't wait to get started, guys, so I can be on the same journey like everybody else. Also, I'll be looking out for the soda machine too, because I want to get that started thanks to Chrome Vending, and also thanks to Reyes, the entrepreneur, man, for the motivation, guys. Motivation, man. So, you know, let's do it. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Deuces. Oh, and she's about to ruin my video. Okay. Cut. Redo the video, guys. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Tony. And now Ruby ruined the video. So I guess I'll have to do another video when the house is quiet, because there's too much noise in this house. I cannot make a video. It's too loud. I'm trying to make a YouTube video and everybody's making noise. Yes, look. She got the computer now. I'll just throw another video next time, guys, because I can't do it right now, guys. Alright?
I just had 2 quarters to spend on my vending machine. But we'll do it on the next video, guys. So catch me in the next one.